Down the trail on the way to the bees. Down the road. Alright, so we done made it out to the bees. And I'm on my way, winding road of my property. Yeah. Alright, so we finally got here. Let's check and see if we got bees. Oh, I see a little activity. Oh yeah, I can hear them. Oh yeah, we got activity up in there. I hear them buzzing around. There go one just got back. Oh, they buzzing, y'all. They coming back. It's late in the afternoon. One just landed on me. I hear that loud buzzing sound too. Yeah. Look at the guard bees at the front. Ooh, somebody buzzing behind my head. So they landing, taking off, and coming back. Looks, they just, oh, I hear them. They all around me. Look at them, y'all. They coming back. It's so calm out here. Hive looking good. See some of the stuff I planted starting to sprout up. See all that new green vegetation? Some of the stuff we planted. My two grape trees back here don't look too hot. That one and that one. But this one right here, oh, she's on fire. She's on fire. And where's that other one at? Right here. Wait. Oh, right there. She's on fire too. Look, they're just landing on me. I don't got no bee suit on, y'all. Oh my God. One just landed on my neck. Oh, don't. I could feel her. She just left my neck. Oh my goodness. She right on my head. But I'm gangster. I'm out here. Got one right here. She just chilling. Y'all see her? Try not to get too close to her, so I don't upset her. I think she on attack. God, bees just hanging out. So looks like they've used a little bit of their water and some of their nectar. I want to crack her open, but I don't really want to. They've been out here since last Monday. Today is Monday. So they've had almost like a whole solid week. They've had a whole solid week and a whole weekend here through cold spurts and some warm days as well. But it don't feel too bad out here right now. Old chicken coop. Yeah, it don't feel too bad out here right now. But yes, it is super active. If I was here earlier, it probably would have been more active. But as you can see, all the bees are starting to come back for tonight. Don't see too much pollen coming. For a second, I was about to say, why is the queen out running around on the hive? But I know y'all just seen that bee that came in and had like a white mark on its back. But I know goodness well that wasn't the queen. One, it was too small. Oh, the guard bees are coming. They like, boy, you better back up. One of them just landed on me. Y'all see that? Right there on my chest. Oh my goodness. Right there. I don't got no bee suit on. Feels really good out. Super quiet back here. And I got a bee just chilling on my chest like it's nothing. But, you know, I don't feel the need to crack it open. I'm going to let them rock out for another whole week. Give them a whole 14, 15 days solid. And just let them rock out. She left? Yeah, she left. So I'll probably be back out here to work in the hive probably sometime later this week. But I just wanted to check in on them, make sure they still got their water. They still got their little honey water on it. Look like they done had some, or it may be due to evaporation. I'm not sure. But it looks like they've had some water and some nectar. And I'm so tempted to crack the top of this open. Hold on. I'm going to crack this open so bad. But I'm going to resist. I'm going to resist. I'm going to resist. I'm going to resist. But we do have a lot of activity. We got bees on the front. We got bees coming and going. What I don't see is too much pollen. Got bees landing on my hand. But all in all, they're really gentle. But that hive, oh, it's humming. Let me see if I can get the microphone closer so y'all can hear it. See if y'all can hear that hum. Mic right there. And see if y'all picking up anything. Don't want to start freaking them out with frequencies and stuff. So I'm gonna move that mic. I don't want to irritate them in no way. Oh, see the god bees start coming and checking the mic out. Yeah, let me get that mic away from them. But other than that, I think this is a cool little update. It's a lot of activity, a lot of bees flying back and forth. As you can see, it's the nighttime, sun getting ready to set. It's roughly about 7:40, roughly. And these should be all the forager bees coming back from doing all their foraging. But I don't see too much pollen on them. I did grind up some natural pollen that I brought for them, and I put it at their top. I'm not going to check it. It's in that top box right there. It's in that box sitting on the divider board. And I'm so tempted to see in there and see if they took any of that pollen. But that'll be for the next. One just landed right on my face. She stood there for like 2 seconds and then flew away. But she just landed right on my face. But that'll be the next time I come. This is a quick checkup. The next time I come will be a full-blown hive inspection. So that's going to be it for this one, all right? So like, share, and subscribe. And stay with the fam. Don't forget to hype the video as well. You know, stay on this journey with us as we embark on beekeeping and rolling with the fam's first apiary. So don't forget to hype, like, share, and subscribe the video. And you know how we go. I'm out.